Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? I'm Zohaib and you're watching ZBS Situation YouTube channel. So viewers, in this video we will discuss Transportation Engineering Lab number 2. Determine the aggregate impact value test, AIV value test. Okay, let's start our today lectures. First of all, designations. Whose designation relate in this experiment? British Standard 812 Part 112. After this, scope and significance of this experiment, we have to check the strength of aggregate for under the road constructions. How much aggregate should be strong enough under the traffic load. It is also finding out the resisting and crushing strength under load. Right? After this related theory, what is coarse aggregate and what is fine aggregate? Differentiates between these two main particles used in this experiments. First one is coarse aggregate. The portions of particles having a size greater than 5 millimeters is called coarse aggregates. Greater size than 5 millimeters and less than is automatically is called fine aggregates. Or particles having a size of greater than 4.7 millimeters are called coarse aggregate. Right? This one is greater 4.75 and less is called fine aggregate. Okay, the second one is toughness. Stone aggregates against impact due to surface irregularities. When the vehicles move on the surface, the impact actions developed due to these impact actions, the stone aggregate have split up, and the resistance of stone aggregate against the split up action is called toughness. Right? Understand? And after this, what is AIV? Impact value. What is impact value? It is designed to determine the aggregate impact value, aggregate which provides a relative measures of the resistance of an aggregate to sudden shock of impact. That is called impact value. And whose apparatus that used in this experiment? The first one is aggregate samples like coarse aggregate, and then impact value machines, tamping rod like, and fourth one is weighing balance, oven, and set of sieves. So this shape is impact value machines, and this one is coarse aggregate, and this is sieve. So we write name of these apparatus. After this procedures, what procedure we have adopted in this experiment? The first step is, first of all, take the samples of aggregate passing through 12.75 millimeters and retain on 9.5 millimeter, then wash it. Very simple. After this, the aggregate placed in the oven. After drying the aggregate, weight the samples of aggregate put into the cylinders. The fourth step is, we apply 25 blows on aggregate with the help of tamping rod with the help of AIV apparatus, and draw 15 blows at height of 38 centimeters. So height is specific. And weight again of these samples we calculate with the help of formula. So formula, what formulas? W2 divided by W1 multiplied by 1 After this, observations and calculations. Okay, passing through 2.36 millimeter sieves is equal to 939 gram. Passing by 12.75 millimeter sieves, that is retained on 9.5 millimeters sieve, that is 78.54 gram. Aggregate impact value AIV is equal to W2 divided by W1 multiplied by 100. Okay, AIV impact value is equal to 39 divided by 78.54 multiplied by 100 is equal to 4.96. After the criteria limitations, so percentage 10% is expansionally strong, 10 to 20% strong, 20 to 30% is satisfactory, and greater than 35% is weak. So our aggregate is expansionally strong. So after this comment, in comments, this experiment is very significant for us to understand the toughness of aggregate. I performed this experiment first time. The AIV lies between 0% to 10%. Our sample value is 4.96. So materials of 1 gram samples is wastage, and results we get in this experiment, AIV value, impact value is 4.96%. This is expansionally strong materials. So viewers, tell me how's this video. If you like, please comment in this video. If any persons have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channels and click bell icons and get updates. Thanks for watching.